Happy Earth Day and welcome to a new edition of Rosie Makes. Today we're going to adapt our habitat with making bird feeders to attract birds. So for this activity, you're going to need a long paper towel too. A hole punch could be handy, but you don't necessarily need this. Some string, bird seed, peanut butter, a tray to put the bird seed in, and a spoon for the peanut butter. The first step is to get your hole punch or whatever you're using to punch 2 holes. Once you punch your holes, you're gonna tie the string through them to make a handle. Next up is to smear peanut butter all over the paper towel roll. Oh, it's warm. Now, you're just gonna roll it around in your tray so the bird seed sticks on. Now, I'm gonna put it on my tree outside to attract more birds to my habitat. That's it for today. We can do it.
You can go. I got it. Thank you, sweet girl.